Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Halloween filter by King Diamond. To get this effect on Instagram, visit King Diamond's Instagram profile. When you go to the profile, you will see the profile like this. You need to go to this effect gallery, the smiley button. This is the effect gallery. If you can't see this effect gallery or this smiley button, what you can do, you can refresh the page by dragging the page down like this, and you should see this effect gallery. Now go to the effect gallery and you will see this filter Halloween. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. And suppose you are not getting the filter like this, then what you can do, you can visit this website also. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, likewise. Okay, and you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this Halloween filter by King Diamond. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.